Oh my God, what is going on here? Oh, well, let's say hello to Brent first. And we're looking at the first gen Toronado, 66 to 67. And this is a quick walk around of it as bodywork has been begun on this. A really cool build. I think you need to keep an eye on this in the future. That's the whole point to this video. Thank you. Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you are on Rumble, please follow. I appreciate that very much. Let's get into this video. Another cool car found at Hickman Creations. You can look them up on Facebook or their webpage. The first generation of Oldsmobile Toronado, 1966 to 1970, a groundbreaking car that ignited the American front-wheel drive movement. I'll be looking at the first gen, 1966 to 67. Top Speed's got a good article from, I believe, 2005. I should have a link down below. 66 to 70 was when these were made. And for the 66-67, 385 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque. That is a bunch. 3-speed automatic. Has a pretty cool interior, really focused on the driver. I just think this is super looking. Found a little bit about it out there on Hemmings. They've got how many were produced and, you know, your typical run-of-the-mill information. Then I went and thought, oh, okay, let's look at IC cars just for grins and giggles. Found this 1966 for $37,900 and thought I'd give you a quick look at that. It had been for sale for about 45 days already. So don't really know how well these cars sell, but thought I'd give you a quick look. And yeah, they're pretty long, 17 and a half feet versus today's average sedan is 14 feet. These are pretty good looking cars. Really like the pop-up headlights. The back end, to me, looks like the old Camaro a little bit. Again, some appearances of the interior, really nice to me. Love that dash and plenty of good room in that back seat. A nice engine, and this is looking right up underneath. I did not pay this car much attention until October of 2022. So let's take a look at this 66 and just walk around the shell after they had taken all the guts out. I took another look at this car February 2023, and that's Jerry, the primary painter, and does quite a bit of body work as well. Jerry was in the middle of working on the body of this car in between some of the paint jobs that he was doing. So just a quick look here. I think this is a really fine looking car. I visited again in March 23 as the 70 Challenger and the 71 Cuda and the 66 Corvette were being worked on. This is Brent. He has taken over all the body work on this Toronado, and it is looking mighty fine. This is just such a cool, styled car. To me, it fits in with the Challenger and the Cuda quite well. You know, just a really, really pretty, sleek car. I really wanted to introduce you to this car. Maybe not so much a lot of activity, but the idea that this is going to be a very cool build as the future rolls out before us. So please stick around to watch out for more on this car. Around back, Brent was double checking the fitment of that rear plate. So working on that a little bit and just really trying to iron this thing out and get it perfect. And then I was watching him move up above the trunk, putting in this section of the body panels. And then he came around back, worked on it a little bit more, just making sure it fit in just perfect. So yeah, a lot of work. I mean, just all these pieces have to puzzle in just perfect. A quick photo of the engine bay, which this will be extremely full again in the near future. And another look at the rear before and after getting that rear plate on there. Very nice. I showed up about a week and a half later in time to wheel this thing out. They were taking it outside, just, double checking it. They like to do that a lot. Not just inside under lights, but outside under sunlight. Really makes it nice to see what's going on with these cars. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. It's all about how long and how detailed the work is on these cars. And I do appreciate you sticking with me on this one. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. I thank you very, very much. So relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.